Alright everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today at the beginning of the day, me and my coworker were double teaming this. This pipe was already existing, but we opened up that little box right there, the handy box, and then we piped out of here. Well, he basically piped out, but I helped him connect it a little bit with the 3/4 going over the top. I'm not sure why he strapped it backwards. But anyways, we pulled wire through here over and made up these 2 twist lock plugs just with 12 wire, pulled 2 circuits, black, white, and green, and then red and white, and obviously sharing the green. So there's a twist lock over there, and then there's another twist lock over here that I made up. And then from there, I went on to getting the lift again, and then went up to this box, and my coworker bent me some pipe from the ground and handed it to me. I drilled the box out and then strapped the pipe down the column. Luckily we have some nice screws that drill right through this steel really quickly, so it wasn't too bad at all. And then he finished off with the offset down below and then mounting a box, and we pulled 3 number 8s, 480 wire, brown, orange, yellow, and I think a number 10 ground if I remember correctly. But anyways, that wire pull was a nightmare. Pulled it up and it was pretty tight. The pipe was pretty full. I think it was 1.5 inch pipe, but it was really full. And then from there went on and finished this last low voltage drop right here with a rod and then a strut. I just had to get the lift back there, and they cleared that out for me, so that was nice. And then lastly, at the end of the day, everyone left and it was just me. The boss and his son went to do something, but I piped this 1 inch 90 right here, and then piped this back and got a 3-point offset on the first try. It was a little bit deep, I think. It could have been a little bit closer, but I'm not too mad about it at all. Pretty much just picked a few measurements and kind of went for it. Totally couldn't find the 3-point saddle formula because there's no service out here. Then I just have to connect these pipes and I'm done tomorrow. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I just want to say before I get into all the details, I think that 3-point saddle possibly was longer on one side than the other, but it is like 40 foot up, so I'm not too concerned about it, but it is a little bit crooked, so I just have to go back up there, loosen the set screw, and then twist it a little bit, because when you look down from the ground it looks like it's at an angle, so I just want to straighten that out tomorrow. But everything went really nicely today. Keeping busy, and then we'll probably be pulling wire through that pipe that I finished tomorrow, and that will be for the sign out front of the building. I'm not sure what size of wires, might be decently big. Can't be too big because it's a 1 inch pipe. So but anyways, everything went great. A lot cooler today. I think it was only like 70, maybe 80 degrees at most, so a lot better. But anyways, like I said, I switched over to, actually I didn't say this, but I switched over to the other side of the building. There's the first half where they repurpose all the tires, and then today I went over for the first time on the other side. If you see in the video clip, it's just all tires. So I went over there. That was kind of cool, but also kind of dangerous because there's forklifts driving around. The tires are so tall, they peel a corner and you're gonna get stabbed with the forklift, but they probably aren't driving out with the forks super high anyways. But anyways, a little bit dangerous. But anyways, like I said, everything went smooth, and I always forget something to mention in the video, so probably forget something already. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, if you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help the channel grow. Check the description down below for anything else like social media, my second YouTube channel, video playlist, and other things like Xbox or Fortnite. If you guys want to play video games together, that'd be fun. And then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Had a really great weekend, super great. If you know, you know, but for the most part, I helped one of my friends do some under-counter lights, and then they took me out to dinner and ice cream, so that was awesome. And then, yeah, a few other things over the weekend. Went to this like barbecue like all you can eat meat for free. It was amazing. And they gave me ice cream as well. And then Sunday, I don't even, that was Sunday, but Saturday I went bowling. And like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, did the best ever, got 7 strikes in a game out of 13. I got a turkey on the 10th turn. I got 3 strikes in a row on the last turn. It was nuts. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Trying to keep you guys up. I might do a live stream here shortly because I have a whole bunch of food that I want to cook. So anyways, see you guys later. God bless. Peace out. Love you guys. Thank you for the support and all the new subscribers. Peace.